Why is this on? Huh? What the? Ah, guess who? Welcome, welcome. K-Rasp here, and today we'll be going through the unboxing of the Alcatel 2008G. As you can see here on the box, in the silver-ish color. So let's look at the top, Alcatel logo. Here on the side, we have the trademarks. Okay, the back, producer, importer. The bottom, Alcatel 2008G, silver metal, and what is important are the GSM standards. Okay, let's see. Yes, so we have the charging dock. We get the emergency assistance of the SOS button. It's simple to use due to big buttons, easy to read due to big icons. We have the kill course and the long-lasting 1400 mAh battery. Now for the technical specification: 2.5-inch display, 2 megapixel rear camera, nose cancellation, video player, and wireless FM radio, compatible with micro SD. Okay, let's grab the good old-fashioned unboxing knife and okay. Come on. Okay. So, here is the phone itself. Let's just get this off the way and let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so the first big object is the charging cradle. Then we have the earbuds. Micro USB. USB charger. The battery. Okay, what we can read from the battery. 1400 milliamps. Okay, 3.7 volt. Let's see, now we got the books. And that's it for the box. So, warranty and the book itself. Now do notice how big the pictures are. Okay, let's unfold the magic. Okay, so again, the charging cradle or the docking station, whatever name you prefer. Micro USB port, charger cradle, 5 volts, 550 milliamps. USB charger, standard of course, 5 volts, 550 milliamps. Yep. Okay, let's see the earbuds. There's a microphone on it, and we have 3.5mm jack. A good old-fashioned standard micro USB cable. The battery. And the phone itself. As you can see, we have big buttons, relatively big display, our silver back with the camera, and the SOS button. Now here we can see the volume buttons. On the bottom we have the microphone and the charging ports. Here's the lock unlock button for the keyboard, the torch button, the torch, and basically that's it for the phone. Let's unfoil it. Okay. Let's pop this open. As usual, the bigger your nails, the easier it is. Okay, good so far. Come on. There. Finally. Okay, so as you can see we have the SIM slot and the SD slot. For of course micro SD. We'll pop in the 16 gigs later on. Okay, let's pop in the battery. And I believe that will be all for today's unboxing video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. And if you have a moment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and Patreon.